This is the PNI TCF82 multifunctional tool set with 82 tubular and fixed wrenches, perfect for any mechanical or DIY work. The sturdy plastic case protects all tools and withstands shocks during transport or storage. Inside, you'll find a complete range of tubular and fixed wrenches, a ratchet, extensions, and essential accessories for precise work. Each tool is neatly organized for easy access and convenient use. All tools are made of high-quality steel, strong and durable over time. The ratchet and extensions allow access to tight spaces and quick fastening of screws. The set includes interchangeable bits for screws, hex, and various heads, covering all types of tasks. The adapters and extra heads complete the set, ready for any mechanical challenge. With the right adapters, you can tighten screws precisely, whether on a table or equipment like a bicycle. All 82 pieces are ready for use, efficiently organized and at your fingertips.